Sir, there are one question.
Yes,
Network protocols is shared memory named pipe TCP/IP.
Mm-hmm.
In 2008 version, what are the use a VIA? VIA and named pipe.
Virtual interface adapter, VIA. Okay, so earlier
Okay.
for older versions we have virtual interface adapters. Okay, now for the new versions there is no VIA adapters, Sanjeev. Okay, so what they are going to do, I'll update you. Okay, I'll share a small document with you so that you can get to know what they are going to do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, named pipe protocol.
Same. I'll share the documents. What this VIA and named
Okay.
pipes will do, I'll share a document. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Guys, any questions, any doubts? Let me share my screen. Any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sampath.
Yeah, it's Raghu.
Raghu, tell me, Raghu. Sampath, can
Sir,
you hear me?
that,
Sampath is still unable to connect his audio. Yes, Raghu, please continue.
Sir, yesterday that pass command didn't work. Why it's not working?
Which one? Sorry. I'm unable to hear you, Raghu.
When we get
Your voice is breaking, Raghu.
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yesterday we give select at the rate version.
Okay.
Sir, అప్పుడు పార్స్ కమాండ్ పార్స్ చేశారు కదా దీన్ని.
Yes.
అప్పుడు ఎర్రర్ ఇవ్వలేదు సార్ ఇది. ఎందుకని అట్లా?
మీరు ఎర్రర్ రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నారా?
కాదు సార్, కానీ దానికి మనం సపోజ్ వర్షన్ నేను ఇచ్చి చూసాను, @ లో సింటాక్స్ మిస్టేక్ ఇచ్చినా కానీ అది ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తలేదు సార్.
ఒక్కోసారి very small commands, okay, for small commands it will do like that. Okay, might be if there is any other keyword it won't throw the error, but commonly it will throw the error. And in case if it don't throw the error also, you can see a red mark under that particular word @ version. Okay,
అది క్రియేట్ డేటాబేస్ కూడా
mainly
ఇచ్చి చూసా సార్, దాంట్లో కూడా ఎర్రర్ చూపించలేదు.
that's not an issue. Okay, see, are you able to see that red mark under that?
అవును సార్.
That's fine. See, our main motto is we have to find the errors. So sometimes it will work for spelling mistakes and all. That parse button will work for spelling mistakes and all. Sometimes it will tell you spelling mistakes, syntax errors and all. Sometimes it might not throw the errors and all. Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Sir.
Yes, please. Yes,
sir. Whenever we run sp_help DB, so in that results we are able to see compatibility level.
Okay.
The same with the version of same folder number.
Yes.
So that means it supports for particular DB for the same number of compatibility level, right, sir?
Correct. So compatibility level will help you to find which version the database belongs to. Okay. So to find the version of the like what we can say database. Okay, so for example, if SQL Server in the SQL Server 2017, the compatibility level is 140. So if you see the 140 means you can easily identify this database belongs to SQL Server 2017.
Yes,
okay?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
okay.
and also in base directory path, we are see that program files in the brackets x86 along with the program files, sir.
Yes.
So what could be the reason, sir? Like we are getting another program files. Maybe some binary.
In every Windows OS will have x64 and x86. x86 means 32-bit. Okay, so that's by default you will get. Okay, every folder, every software will be copied in 2 folders. One is 64-bit, one is 32-bit. That's why you can see x86 and x86 also. You can see the same folders again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Almost same folders are there.
Yeah, same folders you can see.
Based on bit only, the
yes,
full
correct.
2 folders will be created, sir.
Yes. Any other questions, guys?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, copying and installing both are same, sir.
No, both are not same. Not at all same.
So copy is in different method.
Copy is completely
Install is
different.
different method.
Installation is different completely. So why you got the doubt? Copying and installation is both are same.
No, you attach SSMS to Oracle VM, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, installed SSMS.
Okay.
So
Installations, you can see lot of options and all, but in the copying, you can simply see right click copy and right click paste, guys, right? Installations, lot of options will be there. SSMS, of course, you will get only one option, install option. Remaining other sequels or installations and all, you can see lot of options, right? So copy process not at all equal to a installation. So it's completely wrong. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions?
if I practice SQL Server
Okay.
in
Sampath,
virtual machines,
just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Sampath,
Okay,
can you hear me? Sampath,
Yes, sir. Good morning, Sharma.
good morning.
I am able to hear you.
Can you please ping me in the WhatsApp to my WhatsApp?
Yes, I'm doing it, sir.
Yeah, please. I hope you have my number.
Yes, I have. I'm doing it.
Yeah, please ping me to the WhatsApp. Yes, someone is asking the questions. Please, Srikanth, I guess.
sir, will I get any different options, sir, if I practice SQL Server in local server and virtual machines?
No different options. Nothing you will get. As it is same. The platform is only going to be different. Okay. Remaining once you installed, where you are going to install, that doesn't matter. In the organization, we are going to install, okay, on Windows servers. That's why we have configured Windows server setup and all, right?
Okay, sir.
So wherever you are going to install, that doesn't matter. Okay, so no issues, you can install, okay, in your local laptop also, but it doesn't look like a real-time setup. Okay, why we are doing all these things, why we are configuring Windows servers, why we are configuring Azure VMs and all, just for the real time. In the real time, once you got the access on the real-time servers, to touch the servers, your hands did not get shiver and all, right? You will get hands-on experience in your practice. So the same environment you can see in the organization also. Once you go to the company, same Windows servers, you can see the setup and all. Definitely you are comfortable with the existing setup. Otherwise, if you practice in your local laptop, you cannot understand anything in the real-time setup. Definitely while accessing the Windows real-time servers, you will get shiver.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, guys, any questions?
Sir, I have one more question, sir.
Yes, Ankam.
In organization, what kind of files we are going to create in group for file group, sir? Like, is there any? I mean, these files are going to create
Nothing like that. There is
like
no
that.
specific requirement. Ankam depends upon the user's requirement. We'll add the files. That's it. Files are file groups. Okay, sometimes if the drive is going to full, if we reach the maximum capacity of the drive, if we cannot create a extra files in the same drive, we'll add files in the another drive. That's it. That is the only criteria. Okay, so we are
our criteria, yeah, as admin, our criteria, we are going to group particular files. That's it.
That's it. Correct.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No.
Okay, thanks, sir.
No problem. Any other questions, guys?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, Subhani.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
On server, we are installing 2 or more SQL instance, sir. I want to do the patches to
Forget
those
about patching. Forget about patching. Okay, we'll discuss in the patching class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So can we patch multiple instances at a time, right?
Okay. We have to apply individually patches to everyone, or one patches is applicable to
there is a
every
condition. There is a condition, Subhani. If both are from same version, you can apply at a time. If both are different version, you can only see that particular version instance, so that you have to apply individually. Okay. If version is same, you can apply at a time. If version is different, you have to apply separately.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yesterday I got this problem, sir. That's why I'm asking, sir.
Okay. That's fine. No issues. Guys, any other questions? Any doubts? Any challenges?
Sir, and also I would like to add one more thing, sir. I mean, as I am not able to connect to that Oracle virtual machine.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, last Friday, I just went to one of my friend's room. Wi-Fi is there. It worked fine, sir.
Yeah, I told you, right, that is because of network issue only. So
Yes,
if you are connected through mobile hotspot and all, the network will be poor. Okay. So sometimes it cannot detect, your virtual machine cannot detect the network settings. So that's why, okay, your internet connections are not work and you are unable to connect to the server remotely. Okay. If you change the
Yes, sir.
network and all, definitely it will work fine. And guys, my Azure account is expired. If you see here, the money becomes 0. Okay. In this case, if I go for like, if I want to continue this Azure account, I have to select this option, upgrade to pay as you go subscription, then it will be charged, guys. Until I'll select this option, it won't be charged for me. Okay. Once you start select this option, then it will be charged. Okay, guys. So my Azure account that was completed 28 days. So the account, the credit was become 0. Okay. Now I have to practice it on my Azure Oracle VM only, guys. Okay, I'll try to create one more new account. Let's see for the next class. Any questions, any doubts? Still same doubts means not now. Okay, while practicing, you guys are going to, like, we are going to discuss those topics. We already discussed those topics 1 week back. Okay, some people they don't practice by that time. Whenever we discuss the topic, you have to practice during discussion itself, or on the same day, or else next day you can practice, you will get a good idea. So people don't practice on that day, some people, and they will practice after 1 week or 10 days like that, and they're asking small doubts also, guys. So we have already discussed, I have already told you, I'll give you the spoon feeding if we don't discuss those things. If we discuss those things in the videos or classes, I'll simply ask you to refer the videos, guys. Simply ask you to redirect the videos. Why? Because you might think, okay, I remember these options, but the way you are doing the serial order, you are not following the sequential order, definitely you are going to miss that frequency. So definitely you will get the errors. And if you ping me, sir, how to do that, please refer the videos. I'll simply route you to refer the videos. If I know that point is already discussed in the videos, I will simply refer you to watch the videos, guys. And again, you have to be patient while watching the videos. Don't skip the video. If you keep on skipping the videos and all, you don't get anything again. See, listening multiple times, it doesn't hurt you. It will give you more knowledge. So in case if you're not practicing on the same day, or else if you are practicing on the same day itself, always it's better to refer the video once completely without skipping. Then you can start practicing, guys. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I got a lot of errors from the students. That's okay. I'm happy that you are practicing. But small things, if you ask me, means I'll simply ask you to refer the videos, guys. Okay. Why? Because it's very difficult. It's very difficult to again explain the same things and all. And if I'm explaining, it will be a habit for you. Next time, if you got the small issue also, again, you are going to ping me. You don't practice from your side. You don't put any efforts to practice the things. That's why you have to learn by your own. Okay. I am going to provide all the resources. Okay. So please refer the videos in case, again, if you're getting any issues and all. And if you just post me the error message and all, definitely, if we discussed, I'm going to ask you to refer the videos. If we don't discuss, I'm very happy to help you. I will again, okay, in case if you're getting any rare errors and all, okay, definitely I'm going to help you immediately. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. Any other questions? If not, let's go for a small game, guys. Are you ready?
Yes, Shamukh sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Are we going to learn this MS Azure completely, or you're going to teach us the basic things?
No, only basics, just to practice. Okay, some people doesn't have machines, right? RAM and all. We don't have enough RAM to practice. Just to create VMs, we are going to learn Azure. Whatever things needed to create the VMs, to maintain the VMs, to that particular extent only we are going to learn Azure. We are not going to discuss any Azure topics here. Okay, just creating the VMs, practicing the Sql DBA related things in the Azure VMs. That's it.
Yes.
This is completely core Sql DBA.
Yes, great, sir. So if I have RAM and all, sufficient RAM.
Yeah,
So there is
yeah,
no
yeah.
need
That's
to.
what I'm every batch from last batch onwards. Okay, there are two ways to practice. If you have sufficient RAM, practice in the Oracle VMs. If you don't have sufficient RAMs, go and create a Azure account. Anyway, you can practice. If you want to practice both ways, you can practice. You will get a good knowledge. In the Azure also, you will get some hands-on.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
No problem. No problem. Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Okay, chalo, let's go for a small game. Okay, everyone is ready. Fastest fingers first. Set direct message to me. Ready? Fine. So here you can see, right? There are 5 differences between this instance and this instance. What are those 5 differences? You have to let me know, guys. Identify the differences between these two. There are 5 differences. Please type the chart. All the 4 answers or 5 answers, whatever is there, whatever your answers are there, you have to type all your answers in a one answer and you have to send it to me, direct message to me. What are the 5 differences between these two guys? Okay. What are the 5 differences? Let me minimize so that we can see all the things properly. Right. So what are the 5 differences between these two? Just watch it carefully and let me know the answer. Take the time, no issues. If it is not visible properly, let me expand it, guys. This is one image. This is one image, guys. Okay, this is one image. Okay, and this is one more image. These are 2 images. Okay, please watch it carefully and you can answer these questions. I already got 2 answers. Don't know whether those are right or wrong. Guys, everyone has to participate. It's a rule. Everyone must participate in this quiz, guys. Whatever differences, 1 difference, 2 difference that you can see, I hope you can see the difference. It doesn't need any subject and all. You can. We are going to play these games, right? Regularly. So the thing is, the images are different this time. Okay. So just check.
So minimize this.
Yeah.
Minimize this, sir.
Minimize this one.
Thank you, sir.
Got 5 answers, guys. Still 25 people has to respond. Not even a single difference you can find these 25 people. Not even single difference you don't see. Got 10 responses. Still 20 people has to respond. Please respond, guys. 12 responses. 18 people has to respond. 16 people has to respond. 15 people has to respond. 14, 13, 12, 11. 11 people, 10 people has to respond, 9 people, 8 people, 3, 7, yes, 6, 6, 6 more people has to respond, 5 more people, 5 more people, 5 more. If you are still sleeping, please wake up, please wake up. 4 more, 4 more. 4 more people, 3 more. 1 more. Done. 32 answers I got. The participants are 30, got 33 answers. Okay, 34. Chalo, I guess you're sending okay, individually. Let's see. Okay, so let's see who answered correctly. Done. Okay, so right. And good morning, good morning, good morning. That's fine. Lata Shankaran, you have to send all the messages in one chart, not single answers. Okay. Okay, guys. Server is not connect. Services not running. Sanjeev and TCP IP is not enabled. TCP IP is not enabled. Can you port is not identified? Sanjeev, how can you say TCP IP is not enabled and port is not defined? in these two images?
Because
Can you
sir,
see anything like that?
because sir, one server is connected and another one is
That,
server
see, I am
disconnected.
not asking the reasons, okay? Just
Okay.
tell me the differences
Okay.
between these two. That's it. Only differences
Okay.
between these two.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see how many of you answered correctly, guys. Okay. SQL Server agent. Okay, SQL Server agent above. Venkatesh instance name is wrong. Second image. Not correct, Venkatesh. Below it is online. Okay. Guys, you send. I asked you to send all your answers in a single answer so that it will help us to identify the proper answer, guys. Otherwise, if you send one point means, how can I like declare you as a winner? Okay, instance disconnect. Okay, Madhavi, Flipkart read only. Okay, good. SQL Server agent. Okay, you said 3 answers, Madhavi. Yatish, Flipkart read only. Fine. Server will different. Okay, that is fine. Flipkart instance name, computer name, SQL Server agent. Okay, Shrikant. Arun, instance connected to other instance disconnected. First instance Flipkart ID read only mode. We cannot perform write operation. First instance have agent. First instance named instance. No, guys, I did not get proper responses. Let me check other answers as well. Database is connected. Fanendra agent is connected. No agent default is instance named instance. And Flipkart. Fanendra, is this default and is this named? Some people answered like this. Okay, one is default instance, one is named instance. Is it true, guys? Is this default? Is this named instances?
No, sir.
Right?
No, sir.
Fanendra said okay, default and named instance. Some other people also said default and named instance. That's not correct, guys. That is both the default instances only. Instance name is different. Instance not started. SQL Server agent is not there in the second instance. Flipkart read only instance. Okay. Ankam, that's fine. And let me check others as well. Arun, right? Arun is wrong. Flipkart not read SQL Server. Flipkart folder. Okay. Database is connected. Agent is not connected. No agent default instance. Named instance. No, Panandra. Not correct. Sachita. Windows admin is not working. Not running. Okay. Flipkart read only SQL Server agent is not running. Okay, fine. And SQL Server agent database, SQL Server top one, SQL Server successfully on. Okay, instance name different instance not started. SQL Server agent is not there in the second instance. Instance name is not different, Ankam. Instance name is same. Okay. Your answer is closer to the like correct answers. Correct answer, Ankam. Okay, I'm going to consider your answer, but instance name is not different. Same only. Agent Flipkart database is connected. Guys, you can still answer. Okay. Database is not connected. Database is not. Agent is not connected. No agent default instance named instance. No. No, guys. Only Ankam. Okay. Can you try again, please? 4 differences are there. I'll tell you. 4 differences are there, not 5. Can you try again, please? If not, okay, leave it. Okay, I'll tell you the differences. Okay, so guys, in the instance name for the first, you can see instance name is not different. Instance name is same, guys. The login is different. Okay, here you can see administrator. Here you can see computer name / administrator, guys. The login is different. That is first difference. Okay. Second difference, Flipkart read only mode in the first snippet. In the second snippet, Flipkart is online, guys. Okay. And the third difference, if you see here, there is a green play button. Green play button means SQL Server is up and running in the first snippet. SQL Server is up and running in the first snippet. SQL Server is stopped state in the second snippet, guys. Okay. Fourth difference, you can see SQL Server agent in the first server, and you can see there is no SQL Server agent in the second snippet, guys. Okay. There are no 5 differences, only 4 differences are there. These are the 4 differences. Okay. I'm going to consider only Ankam for this. Yes, Atish. Okay. But 4 should be there. Okay. That is like a game. Okay. So let me write down Ankam. If you feel that you answered 4, then no issues. I'm going to check and I'll give you 1 point. 4, Subhani, not 3. Okay. And come. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. So, chalo, let's disconnect and let me reconnect again with the same link, guys. It is going to disconnect in 5 minutes. So, okay. Let me reconnect with the same link. Please join immediately with the same link.